Hi guys, today we're going to be unboxing a mystery phone. So, yeah, let's just see what it is. That was hard. Ooh, nice box. Okay. Yep, got all the details. So the phone is a Galaxy S23. It's a very heavy case. So let's just take our scissors. Oh well. Didn't need the scissors. Okay. Let's see it. Okay. Oh, it's coming out very slowly. Oh. Wow, it does look very nice. We're gonna put that here for a minute. So it's Samsung. Nice cover. Oh my gosh. Look at that camera, guys. 3 cameras. It's very weird. I'm more of an Apple person, but this does look a very nice phone. Wow. It feels just like an iPhone. But it's very small. I mean, it's pretty small. Okay, let's see. So, I can see myself in it. You can probably see the camera in it. So yeah, it's very nice. Has a nice flash. That's the flash. Those are the cameras. I've never seen a camera like this before, because usually iPhones are like one camera, one camera, one camera. But yeah, it's really nice. It needs some taking off on the plastic on the sides, but I'll do that not in this video. And yeah, maybe in a month or so I'll show you how this works. I'll show you a few apps and stuff. But yeah, thank you for watching my video on Just for Fun, and bye.